Hey guys, girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, this beautiful day. As usual, we're working on this game like religiously again. So what we're gonna start off today by doing, or this time, is create a new class. We're gonna call it upgrades, upgrade, virtual destructor, finish. We'll put this here, and we'll put this here. Let's just start off by making the private part. Haha. Funny. So what we're gonna do is int type. Then we're gonna do a d-array texture pointer. Textures. And then we're gonna do first we're gonna go into, what was it? Let's pickup. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna include upgrade, and then we're going to upgrade, and we're gonna paste all of this. Bam. So there we go. Access to everything. We're good. Textures. This. Okay. Sprite. So we got a type. We got a texture. We got a sprite. We're good. We're gonna need a void draw, render target as usual, target like that, a void update with a const float dt per usual, because we're gonna have a timer as well. So let's do the timer here. Float alive timer max, float alive timer, and then we're gonna make a function called this. Oh wait, inline const int reference get type, and then return this type. Then we're gonna make another function, inline const inline bool can delete, return this timer alive timer is greater or equal to this alive timer max. Alright, and then we're gonna go in here, because we have all our beautiful functions. We're gonna do update and draw. Just paste them in there. This is gonna go well. Boom, and then upgrade, whatever. Target dot draw this sprite as usual, and then update. We're gonna do a timer update if this alive timer, whoops, alive timer. All right, this alive timer is greater than 0. Wait, less than this alive timer max. This alive timer plus equals a dt and the whole thing, and then we need a dt multiplier. Float dt multiplier, this dt multiplier, and yeah, that's good. So it's gonna go up to a live timer, and we're good. And we're gonna update it. We're going to rotate this this sprite dot rotate with 5f by dt multiplied by this dt multiplier, and then let's see, collision bool collide check collision const float rect. Then we're going to check collision as well. just making these functions really quickly. So because this is all we need, it's just like pickup, but yeah, if this sprite dot get global bounds dot contains rect return true, return false. So there we go. That's all we need. Oh, we need to remove const. Object type is float rect. Rect dot. Oh, contains intersects. Sorry. Const. We gotta do const here as well. Okay, so there we go. Boom, boom, boom. We're good. Okay, this dt multiplier equals 62.5 f. This. So upgrade int type. Vector 2f position. Float alive timer max, and isn't that all we need basically? And the texture as well. No, the textures. So the array texture reference textures. So the actual textures, alive timer type, position, alive timer. So that's good. Just get this in here. That's good. This alive timer max equals alive timer max. This type equals type. This sprite dot set position. This sprite dot set textures. Wait. This textures equals textures. The address to it. Set texture. This textures at position. This type. All right. Boom. Now I want to make an if statement. If this type is greater than this textures, greater or equal to this textures dot size, less than this, else we're gonna give an error message. Else cout no texture for that upgrade type. New line. Okay, so that's good. And we set the texture. We're gonna set this sprite dot set origin. This sprite dot get global bounds dot x divided by 2. This sprite dot get global bounds. Wait, what? Start width get global bounds. Why isn't this working? Oh, get global bounds dot height divided by 2. Okay, so there we go. Now we got the origin. It's gonna update. It's gonna do all that stuff. That's great. Now I pushed in. Now in game, we're gonna have to go into game, screw pickup, let's go to game, let's make a player main go, okay, the array texture, why isn't this working now? Oh my god, dude, wait, I gotta restart the whole thing. What about now? No, who cares? Okay, now the array upgrade textures, and then in game in init textures, here we go. We're gonna just go down here, or no, where do I do the upgrade, the pickup textures? Here we go. Guns, enemies, pickup textures, upgrades. So I'm just gonna take these. Okay, now I'm gonna go in here, open my wingman thingy, textures, upgrades. Okay, so let's start off by doing double ray. Upgrades, double ray. It's upgrades and then double ray. How do I spell triple ray? Triple ray. Upgrades, triple ray. Triple ray. Yeah, there we go. And I gotta change this to upgrade textures, and then this to double ray, triple ray. What else can we stuff in here? Piercing, double ray, charge ray. Well, let's do piercing shot. Piercing shot. And then let me do, what's am I gonna do? Shield. And then I'm gonna do shield. Whoops, shield. This is from another game, so I have a bunch of other stuff. Triple ray, shield, ice ray, nah. Missiles, cool. Health tank is good. Health tank. Is that how I spell it? Health tank. Yeah. Okay. So we're good with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of them. And then upgrade. Anytime I create upgrade, I'll shove this in. And they're different types. So depending on the type, it's gonna look different. It's gonna be good. We'll get a type in. It's great. Position type. Okay. So let's start off in game, in draw, by going through, let's make it upgrades thingy as well. Where's pickups? Pickups. Grades. The array. Upgrade. Upgrades. Okay, so I'm gonna draw all the upgrades first. For this upgrades dot size. This upgrades position I dot draw window. Okay, I'm gonna do this here. I'm gonna do this here. So we're good. Okay, so we can draw all the windows. Draw upgrades. I'm gonna copy this. Go up to where I am updating. Close this. Update. So first I'm going to see if everything works. And there is no real issue in the code. Generating code finished. That's good. Okay, so I can get stuff and I can shoot stuff. That's good.